What's up guys? It's Anarkin. Okay guys, so ito pa pala ngayon isang Abia Mall. Napakalaki niya pala, no? Starbucks, Abenson, Bagel Girl at Bench. Dito sa baba guys, papunta sa True Value, which is small lang naman siya. Small, medium, and large. Ayaw kasi ito maging corny. Ito pala ang Lawson, but first coffee, Marks and Spencer. To be honest, nakitingin ng part na to, diba? McDo, Top 10-10, at saka Uncle John's. Of course, yun ang mga best stores namin dito. Almost lahat talaga gusto nyo. And ano apo ko, And guys, more tour pa pala sa second floor. Nandito pa rin ang cinemas, Tom's World, Media Department Store, Business Handyman, Japan Home Center, Buy It, Repair It, National Bookstore Express, Saucer Dog, Chowking, Angko, Chagi, at Toy Village. Pupunta naman natin sa baba guys is, one of our favorite stores. Robertson Supermarket, Till's Cheese Spread, Gemma's Diner, Greenwich, Chic Shack, Pop Mart, at ang Time Zone. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you love it. Bye!